I'm Tim Gatto, and I'm the president of Aztec Tooling and Injection Molding. Aztec Tooling and Injection Molding is a one-stop shop for your plastic needs. We build and design injection molds and do injection molding. Aztec is a company that's capable of doing design, prototyping, tool making, and all your plastic manufacturing, right through to the final fulfillment of the products to the customers. Aztec Tooling builds tools domestically for our customers here at our facility in Long Island, New York. We save them a lot of time from buying tools overseas or other markets, and we're able to get their product to market with much quicker speed. Aztec Tooling is a modern injection molding company. We strive to stay on the edge with all types of design, engineering capabilities. We build our tools and do all our injection molding here in-house to support our customers. Aztec Tooling and Injection Molding serves a wide array of industries. We work in dental, medical, point-of-purchase displays, industrial products, automotive. It's a wide span of products that meet a certain need for our customers. A lot of times it's low volume, quick to market applications. Working with us, we're able to get your products to the market quicker due to the fact that we're able to design, engineer, and manufacture everything under one roof. The plastic products that we produce can weigh as little as 2 grams, or they can weigh as much as 16 pounds. Here at our facility, we're able to produce orders as small as 50 parts or multi-million piece orders. Our molded products are found throughout the world. We have customers on every continent. Here at our company, we try to meet all our customers' needs. It's an ongoing process to constantly make a better and better product to make our customers happy. Our ideal clients come to us, and we don't look at it as just a business opportunity. We look at it as a relationship where we can both help each other. When doing this type of business, you actually never realize how many things you're going to learn about other industries. A small factor is like we do a lot of work for our customer in the beekeeping industry. And I would have never thought in my life that I would know everything there is about bees and how they live and how they think and how they do their thing every day. Here at Aztec, we're still continuously adding new equipment, machinery, adding to our ability to compete on a world market. We're not going to stop doing that for quite some time, actually. We're going to continue to stay on the cutting edge of manufacturing here in America.